Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in the previous parts of the training series, we saw how to use Optin Dojo and how to integrate Optin Dojo with other softwares like Lead Pages and also with AWeber, Getresponse, and also with the different affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus and Explodely. Now, if you remember, I have mentioned several times over this entire training series, one of the most important components that you need and which is called email swipe. And in this part 18 of this training series, we are going to see from where to get these email swipes and how to alter the content and how to modify the subject line and how to get a similar and better email swipes, and most importantly the entire email formula for what makes a good email swipe for a solo ad traffic. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So at this point of time, if you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, which is the Get 16,000 Email Swipes, you will reach this page called Internet Marketing Insider, which is the place where I got my email swipes. So this is about the legendary marketer Matt Basak, who has created this email swipe collection of over 5,000 to 6,000 emails, and he has paid around 16,000 to get this email swipes. It has earned him around $2 million. So if you scroll down to the very bottom of this page, you will reach the add to cart button, and it costs you around $12.10, which is very cheap. Once you buy through this link, you will reach this page with 16K swipes plus bonus, which is a zip file. And once you extract it, and you will get to the 16K swipes plus bonuses. So once you go inside, you can see the 5421 emails, and you can click on the 5421 emails where you have so many of the email swipes in the notepad format. So you can just scroll down and you can see it for yourself, and you can use these email swipes for your solo ads, and you can always use it as it is by a little bit of modification, and also you can use this as an inspiration and just try to copy and paste in ChatGPT and try to get a better subject line and a body content. So for this training video purpose, I'm just going to show 3 of the examples of this email swipe, how to use them. So I opened one of the email swipes from the 16K email swipes. So you can see here the subject line is, "This is great for beginners." And my online by day has released a brand new online report, but you must opt in quickly before he starts to charge for it. And his report reveals how to get started online the right way. His report is great for beginners, so don't wait. Opt in now or for your free report. This is a must see. See it now. And you can remove this link over here, and you can just remove both these, and you can enter your own signature over here. And this is going to be a great subject line for a solo ad traffic, which is very perfect. You can insert the link, affiliate link over here, highlight this and just insert your affiliate link over here. Let's go to the another example. So this is a really sad moment. This is the subject line, and it's a sad moment in the online marketing industry. Find out why on this new video. So you can just take this, this is going to be the affiliate link which Matt has sent to. So you can just highlight this whole part and insert the affiliate link over here to your affiliate offer. And you can just change the sign off over here. Let's go to another example. So here you can see, hey, contact first name. So if you have been struggling for success online, you must see this. And this is the affiliate link. So you can just highlight this whole thing and insert the affiliate link over here. And it actually works, my full recommendation. So remember, I don't recommend too many things, but this is a real deal. There is nothing to buy. It's a win-win. See it here. And you can also insert your affiliate link over here by highlighting this. So take care, Matt Basak. So you can insert your name over here. And these are some of the examples that I'm showing you where you can draw inspirations. So these are some of the practical examples which I have shown you how to use the Matt Basak email swipes. So there are more than 5,000 of the email swipes, and you can draw inspiration from these email swipes, how to change the body content, how to change the subject line, and you can use this content and go to the chat GPT and get similar and better content, and it's going to be worth investing product. So I would request you to check the link in the description box below in order to get your 16K email swipes. So the next big thing that should be noted here is the how to use these email swipes. What are the main components of an email swipe, especially for a solo ad traffic? I'm going to discuss about that in the coming slide. So now, what makes a good email swipe for a solo ad traffic? The first component will be the email swipe should be short and max 4 to 5 single sentence paragraphs. Now, what do you mean by single sentence? So single sentence means that there should be a one line that should be one sentence, and not 2, 3, 4 lines making up a single sentence. So that's how short and sweet it should be. So it should be normally between 4 to 5 singles. So think as a person in the US where they get flooded with emails every day, hundreds and hundreds of emails. So normally they won't get any time to go through all your emails. What they get is normally to 4 to 5 seconds to check out each email. So the email swipe should be normally between 4 to 5 sentences in order to capture the attention. So the next component would be arousing curiosity. Now this is going to be very important considering the subject line. So your subject line must be always something that generates curiosity among your readers so that they click on the subject line to read your email body. So this works very well, especially with solo ads traffic, if not all traffic. So the third component will be generic and not product specific. So your email swipes should always be generic and not any particular product specific, because most of the solo ads traffic are going to be beginners or new to the make money online space, and generally they want to read emails which are more generic and which are more relatable. So you can always check out the Matt Besack email swipes. So the next component is spam words check. So you always need to check for spam words and make sure that the spam words are very, very minimal, if not zero. Money, cash, commissions, get, now. So these are all considered as a spam words, and try to generate alternate words for this using ChatGPT and make sure that you use them to the minimal. So the next component is no misleading words or sentences. So this is going to be very important because most of the marketers out there do this same thing and they repeat this again and again. So always try to make sure that you don't use any misleading words or sentences, because your ESPs, your email sending platforms like AWeber and Getresponse are going to watch closely, and if any email swipes that has misleading words like get commissions instantly and like $5,000 credited to your bank account. So these are outright misleading content, and the email sending platforms are going to warn you for a particular time, and then if you keep on repeating this, then they are going to kick you out of the platform. So always try to avoid the misleading sentences and words. So now we have seen the entire formula of what makes a good email swipe for a solo ad traffic. So always keep in mind to follow these components in your email swipes because of the latest Google and Yahoo updates which have been updated from February 1st, 2024, where the spam rates has to be less than 0.3%. So in the next part of the training series, which is going to be the final part of this training series, we are going to see one of the most important component, if not the most important one in the entire online space. So let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.